Welcome to NKUSA Car. If you love discovering the latest and most exciting machines from around the world, then make sure you subscribe because today we have something truly unique, unexpected, and surprisingly revolutionary. In this video, we are taking an exclusive first look at the brand new next generation 2026 Subaru 360, officially unveiled with a completely re-engineered design that blends nostalgia with futuristic engineering. The Subaru 360 is a name many people associate with Subaru's early history, a compact icon that helped shape the brand's identity. But in 2026, Subaru has revived this legendary badge in a way no one ever imagined. This all-new model is not just a modern reinterpretation. It is a bold leap into the future, engineered with advanced materials, next-level aerodynamics, and a fresh identity suited for the new era of mobility. At first glance, the 2026 Subaru 360 looks nothing like the original. Subaru has pushed the boundaries with a broader stance, sculpted body lines, and a sleek aerodynamic shell designed for maximum efficiency. The front fascia introduces a completely new lighting signature, featuring ultra-thin LED strips, a more prominent Subaru grille, and smooth curvature flowing across the panels. This redesigned structure gives the compact car a premium, futuristic personality unlike anything in its class. One of the most striking upgrades is its platform. Subaru now uses a newly enhanced lightweight architecture that improves rigidity, reduces weight, and enhances safety. Paired with Subaru's engineering expertise, this platform gives the 360 a surprisingly stable and controlled driving experience. Despite its compact size, the new 360 feels solid, modern, and ready to meet global safety standards, powering the new 2026. Subaru 360 is an advanced hybrid electric system developed for maximum efficiency in urban environments. Subaru has designed this car for everyday usability, smooth performance, and outstanding fuel savings. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising through crowded urban districts, the new 360 promises a calm, comfortable, and economical ride. Subaru has also hinted at a fully electric version in the near future, which could become one of the most affordable electric cars in the global market. Inside the cabin, Subaru gives the 360 a full digital transformation. The interior features a clean, minimalistic layout with high-quality materials that elevate the atmosphere without overcomplicating the design. A large central touchscreen provides navigation, media, and vehicle controls, while a digital instrument cluster gives the driver customizable information displays. Soft touch elements, ambient lighting, and redesigned seats all contribute to a premium feel that is rare in a compact vehicle. Technology plays a major role in this new generation. Subaru's advanced safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. All this technology ensures that even though the 360 is a small car, it offers big protection. The exterior customization options are another highlight. Subaru allows buyers to personalize their 360 with multiple two-tone color schemes, bold wheel designs, and optional body styling upgrades. This helps the new model appeal to a younger audience who want a unique, stylish urban car. In the end, the 2026 Subaru 360 marks a fresh chapter for Subaru. It respects the past but is fully engineered for the future. Compact, efficient, stylish, and smartly equipped, it might just become the next big thing in the small car segment. If you enjoyed this first look review, make sure to subscribe to NKUSA Car for more latest car unveilings, reviews, and futuristic automotive content. Thanks.